Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making a paper bird. We are starting with making these 3D figures, and then you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've used green glitter pen for making this cute cartoon with heart eyes which is pop out, and then we are detailing it and it's ready. And now you can color it with any color. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute bird. First we are making body of the bird, and then we will draw the beak and the wings, and then we are making a heart in the middle of its hand, and it's ready. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a flying bird. First we are making the feathers and the body. After that we are gonna make the eyes and the beak, and the bird is holding a cute message in his hand, and then we are going to color it with red color, and then it's ready.